If you want to learn about the main features of the DeLonghi Magnifica Start, discover its new model with the LatteCrema system, and find out the differences between the various versions and their prices, don't miss this video where we tell you everything about this bean-to-cup coffee machine. The Magnifica Start is the entry-level model in DeLonghi's range of super-automatic coffee machines, but despite that, it includes everything you need to prepare various recipes with all the aroma of coffee made from freshly ground beans. Additionally, DeLonghi has recently launched some versions with an automatic milk recipe preparation system, offering almost the same features as much more expensive models. All versions of the DeLonghi Magnifica Start stand out for their very intuitive use. They have a touch panel on the front that allows you to select from the available recipes and adjust the intensity and amount of coffee. Another highlight is that it is a quite compact model within its category. It measures 24 centimeters in width, 36 centimeters in height, and 44 centimeters in depth. It weighs 8.8 kilograms. As you can see in the following table, it is one of the models with the most compact dimensions in the entire DeLonghi super-automatic coffee machine range. And as for the capacity of its reservoirs, the Magnifica Start has a capacity of 1.8 liters of water, 250 grams of coffee beans, and 14 coffee grounds. As you can see, compared to the rest of the DeLonghi range, these compact dimensions we just mentioned slightly reduce its capacity, although the differences are not very significant. And now, let's talk about the different versions available and their prices. At the time of recording this video, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start is available in the following versions. And the price is what you can see below. However, we recommend checking the links in this video or visiting our website, where we always keep them updated. And you're probably wondering what the differences are between the various versions. Well, basically, the difference lies in which recipes each one can prepare. You can see them in the following comparison table. The other main difference is the colors in which each version is available. Other than that, all versions are practically identical. And if you want to learn about other models, don't miss the upcoming videos, visit our website, or subscribe to our channel. See you next time.